Molly is a regular kid like you, and she's curious about the internet. She wrote down 3 questions she has about it. 1. How big is the internet, and is it part of the real world? 2. What are the good things on the internet? And 3. Is the internet made just for kids? Let's help Molly answer question 1. How big is the internet, and is it part of the real world? The internet is very big, but it's not the real world. The real world is made up of places like your school and your neighborhood, and the real world has people who live in it, like you and your teacher. The internet is different from the real world because it exists only on computers. These computers are connected together, and that lets people from everywhere talk and share information with each other. Information like this picture of a banana slug. Real people use the internet, but imagine if people tried to live inside their computers. That's just silly. And it's why the internet isn't a real place. It's a tool people use to get information. Molly's second question was, what are the good things on the internet? Well, that picture of a banana slug is a good thing because it's funny. Like you, Molly is curious and smart, so she uses the internet to learn. She reads stories, plays games, and watches videos. Just yesterday, she watched a video about dinosaurs. Molly had one more question. Is the internet made only for kids? Only some of the internet is made for kids. There are pictures and other things on the internet that kids shouldn't see. Also, there are places on the internet where people say mean things about each other. These places aren't fun, and they're not safe for kids. But if you follow some simple rules, you can avoid them. Think about this. There are places in the real world, places in your neighborhood maybe, that aren't safe for you. For example, you know you have to look both ways before you cross a street, and you know it's not safe to talk to strangers or accept candy from them. These rules are simple, and they keep you safe in the real world. Fortunately, there are simple rules for staying safe on the internet too. Molly's going to learn all about them, and you can join her.